A mantis shrimp, nicknamed the Smasher, can swing its claw at speeds up to 52 miles per hour. The strike is so fast that it boils the water around it and creates a flash of light. When we breathe through our nose, we always inhale more air through one nostril than with the other one. That's about the size of an IKEA dinner plate. Grocery stores don't stock imperfect fruit and vegetables because consumers won't buy them. The current record holder is 33-year-old Matt Stutzman, a man born without arms. The world record for the longest accurate shot in archery is 230 yards.